Hey guys, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So this is our reading for Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Take only what resonates, guys. General love reading, pwede ka makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Pag hindi ka nakaka-relate, huwag ipilit. May mga next readings pa tayo. Check mo na lang sa ibang videos yung ibang reading kung hindi ka makaka-relate sa reading na ito. Okay? General love reading, pwede magkapalit-palit ang roles, depende sa nangyayari sa'yo. Ayan, simulan na po natin. This is for Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Okay, anong meron sa ating mga Earth signs? Okay, what do we have here for Earth sign, please? Okay, you do have here the Ace of Pentacles, the Empress, the Two of Swords, Ace of Swords. I really do like this Ace of Pentacles. This is, and the Ace of Swords is also here. Pwedeng may mga new beginnings na nangyayari sa'yo, especially with regards sa mga bagay na inisip mo na or napagplanuhan mo na dati. Maybe it has something to do with the Empress, which is may kinalaman sa iyong sarili. You want enhancement na makakapagpaganda, makakapagpaayos pa sa'yo sa isip mo, spiritually or physically. So, I feel like ginagawan mo ng action ito. And I really do love how you love yourself. Napaka-unique ng energy mo ngayon, ano? Nakakakuha tayo ng being an independent person, stress-free, no? You are thinking like nakakita ko ng mga bata So, pwedeng you're thinking about yourself. Gusto mong, yung iba gustong bumata ulit. Yung iba, kung ano ka nung bata ka, ganun. Pwedeng gusto mo lang maging masaya, stress-free. You are ignoring these people na nagiging selfish. You don't like selfish people. Once na naging selfish na sila, inisip na nila ang sarili nila at they are, maybe in the past, lahat ibinigay mo sa kanila, and then ngayon parang sila na itong parang nagbibilang ng mga bagay na binigay nila sa iyo. Ngayon nandito yung parang feeling mo na ayoko na, you're out. Parang gano'n, pinupush mo na or hindi mo na gusto yung mga ganitong klaseng tao sa buhay mo. Kasi nung ikaw ang gumagawa ng kabutihan sa kanila, hindi nila binibilang. Ngayon na pwedeng wala ka ng kabutihan, masyadong nagagawa, or hindi ka na nakakapagbigay, sila naman itong nagbibilang ng kabutihan na ginawa nila sa'yo. Okay? So, you don't like this kind of people. Kasi ano yon? Bakit sila ganon? Diba? Maybe something to do with material attachment or mga binanggit nila sa'yo na usaping material and you don't like that. And, okay, so you are loving yourself, focusing on self-love, self-care, being happier with the Empress. And then, I feel like may mga desisyon kang dapat gawain, or maybe may mga dapat kang gawain ngayon, something to do with career or decision na may kinalaman sa career, pero you're not making any decision yet pagdating dito. Or maybe there's some kind of pag-iisip or plano or pag-iisip pa lang na may kinalaman sa career, money. And I can also see na yung iba, soon enough, there's a new beginning for you pagdating sa career. Pero you're focusing muna dito sa pag-aayos sa sarili mo and then to follow na itong mga new beginnings na ito. Like, concentration mo ngayon is to focus on yourself. You know, I don't know, but I can feel a Virgo energy. So maybe you do have a Virgo in your chart. Check mo yung, especially yung sun, moon, and rising mo. But anyway, if you don't have any, sorry, earth sign ka pala. So of course you have a Virgo. Earth sign pala itong nire-reading ko. So, hindi pala Virgo, it's Libra. Okay? Kasi I thought this is Libra Libra reading. So, naramdaman ko is Libra energy. So, this could be Libra, na meron kang Libra sa iyong chart. Check mo yung iyong sun, moon, and rising. Okay. You are also smart person. Matalino ka, magaling ka. And also you do have this energy na patuloy kang natututo, mahilig ka sa matuto lalo pa. Kumbaga, lalo na pag interesado ka sa isang bagay, you do search. You know, you are good at researching stuff, and because of that, natututo ka lalo, and na nagiging expert ka sa isang bagay na ikaw lang mismo ang umalam, like hindi mo nakuha sa school ito, ikaw mismo ito. And I can see that you are attracting a lot of new beginnings in your life. Maganda yon. Ayan, nakakita rin tayo ng pagpapamper mo sa iyong sarili. I really also do like that energy. You do have here the 8 of Pentacles. Ito na yung person na kakonect mo. The Page of Pentacles, 8 of Pentacles, 8 of Swords. Okay. This is your person, but wait lang guys. Inom lang ang tubig. Bottom of the deck is the 5 of Swords. By the way, kanina habang uminom ako ng tubig, may picture na lumabas sa akin, like may visualizations ako. It's like a museum. So, hindi ko alam kung bakit. Maybe recently lang nagpunta ka sa museum. And, especially, may mga nakikita kong mga parang bato or crystals. And, some of you, pwedeng, habang umiinom ako kanina, you're looking at my crystals. And then, parang na-amaze ka na, parang nakita ko to sa museum na pinuntahan ko. So, maybe there's something na pinuntahan mo, like a museum, kahit hindi recently lang, but maybe upon looking at my video, naalala mo yung event na yon. Yeah, or maybe yung iba nga sa inyo, pwedeng recently lang pumunta sa museum. Okay, this could be a reading. Like mga within this year lang. No? 5 of Swords is at the bottom of the deck. Anyway, this is your person. You're dealing with a person who is very workaholic, no? Page of Pentacles, yeah. Masyadong importante sa kanya ang money, and this person is, I feel like there's a decision mula dito sa taong to regarding money. Na pwedeng nagkakaroon ng delay. And with the 8 of Swords, pwedeng ang person na ito ay currently stuck sa isang situation. Or maybe regarding sa kanyang work. No? Kaya nga siya masyadong workaholic. Like, wala siyang choice kundi mag-work. Or pagdating sa work niya, hindi niya mahawakan yung oras niya. So, anyway. Ano yung emotions din yung dalawa ng taong ito? For the sign of Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Anong emosyon ninyong dalawa ng person na ito? King of Cups, the Justice card, and one more card. 5 of Cups. Okay. Ayan na yung Justice card. This is Libra energy. So, nabanggit ko na yung Libra kanina. I don't know if you are dealing with a Libra or you have a Libra in your chart. Wheel of Fortune is here. 5 of Wands. 9 of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the 7 of Swords. So, maybe may pag-iiwasan or may pag-iwasan nangyayari sa iyo or sa inyo. Kasi this could be you na umiiwas. Or pwedeng pareho kayo may pag-iiwasan. You know? I can see with the King of Cups, you do love this person. With the Justice card, pwedeng alam niya yon, pwedeng sinabi mo yon sa kanya. And yeah, I can see the planet Mercury. So maybe there's a communication sa inyong dalawa wherein nasabi mo yung emotions mo. Yeah, I can see the Moon and the Mercury. So Moon and Mercury, yeah, I can also see Virgo. You could be dealing with the Virgo. So anyway, yung Moon is talking about emotions and Mercury is communication. So pwedeng may communication regarding sa emotion or ikaw ito na pwedeng nag-amen or nagsabi sa kanya. And it caused a lot of conflict, a lot of pressure and stress, no? Sa inyong connection. And I feel like ito yung nagdulot ng malaking pagbabago, and it Yan, it gave you a lot of feeling na parang sobrang lungkot, sobrang sakit. Because might be, this is you na you have to face the truth. You have to face the fact dito sa connection ninyo. And you really do miss this person a lot. Nami-miss mo siya, but you cannot do anything about it. With the Five of Cups, I feel like may mga bagay kang pinagsisisihan, especially with regards sa opportunities between the two of you in the past. And I feel like, pwedeng may karma sa connection ninyong dalawa na hindi pa nare-resolve. And there's, especially if you do have a Libra in your chart. Libra, they like balance. Diba? Gusto nila balance eh. And maybe you see this person as someone na makakapag-balance sa'yo or ng energy mo. Like you want equal give and take. Pero dito sa point na ito, pwedeng wala siyang naibigay or hindi siya nakapag-commit or something na ginawa or hindi ginawa nito person na ito nakapagpalungkot sa'yo. Now, this person is a lot of fighting here with the Five of Wands. Nagkakaroon ng pag-aawayan. And with the Wheel of Fortune, I feel like yung person natin hindi siya makapag-decide. Laging lutang ang isip na. Nakakuha ko na sa kanya ng lutang na isip or lutang na pag-iisip. You do have the Magician. Oh, yeah. I want to clarify the Wheel of Fortune and the Magician. Seven of Wands. Six of Pentacles at the bottom of the deck. The Hanged Man. And nakakita na naman ako dito ng this is Six of Pentacles and I don't know, itong balance na energy na ito is showing to me as Libra, so might be you are dealing with a Libra. So, okay. I feel like, ang emotion nitong person na ito, pabago-bago eh. Wait lang ha. Okay. Uminom lang ako guys. Anyway, nakakita ko ng pabago-bagong emosyon. May times na magulo doon sa place or sa kung ano yung meron siya ngayon. So, may times na hindi siya okay doon. Gusto niya umalis doon. Tapos may times naman na masaya siya. The Wheel of Fortune, it is like, okay, nandito na naman ako sa reality. Tapos, mamaya-maya na naman, parang asaya-asaya na naman niya kung nasaan man siya. But, with the Magician, I feel like maging masaya man siya, hindi niya makuha yung pinakasaya na ina-expect niya. Like maybe this person is expecting more and more and more doon sa connection niya with other people. Could be sa work niya or sa home. So, like this person wants more. Doon sa happiness na yon. Pero hindi niya makuha eh. The Nine of Wands, I feel like may boundaries dito sa inyo. Like, especially with the Eight of Swords and the Nine of Wands. So, parang may nakabantay. I don't know by this person. Pwedeng, nakikita ko yung word na confessed. So, maybe may gusto siyang i-confess sa'yo. Pero hindi niya magawa because may nakabantay. And this person is nape-pressure siyang gawain. So, there's a lot of delay. Yeah. Anyway, what will happen in the near future sa inyong dalawa? I want to know pa pala kung anong gusto niyang i-confess sa'yo. Mamaya ko to itutuloy. Kukunin ko lang yung message doon. Baka makalimutan ko. Anong gusto niyang i-confess? Spirit guys, angel guys, please tell me. Archangel Michael, please tell me. Okay. Nine of Swords. What's with the Nine of Swords? Ten of Swords. Okay. One more card. Seven of Pentacles. Okay, I feel like nagkakaroon siya ng problema ngayon. And also, nasasaktan siya. And pwedeng gusto niya sabihin sa'yo yung nasasaktan siya regarding sa ending na nangyayari sa inyo. And with the Seven of Pentacles, I feel like this person really do admires you. Humahanga siya sa'yo. And tell me more about the confession. Ay, meron pa palang isang card. Okay. You do have the King of Swords. Tell me about this. What's with the King of Swords? We do have the Ace of Swords. I feel like lagi ka naaalala ng itong person na to. So, ayun. Nasasaktan siya ngayon sa ending na nangyayari sa inyo. And maybe yung confession has something to do with that. Na parang ayaw niya magkaroon ng ending. Pero, masakit para sa kanya. So, what will happen in the near future, please? You do have the Three of Cups. Okay. Page of Cups. Clarify the Queen of Pentacles. The Six of Wands and the Two of Cups. Okay. The High Priestess is at the bottom of the deck. The Lovers is also here. This person is coming back. Pabalik siya. Ngayon, in the future, this is you with the Four of Cups na parang hindi ka na sure. Kasi the Three of Cups, yan, babalik itong taon to, there's reconciliation, pero parang hindi ka na sure kung tatanggapin mo pa. Especially, you do have choices here with the Four of Cups. So, may iba ka pang cups sa harapan mo. And this person, coming back in the past, medyo mahirap. Especially, you are the Queen of Pentacles, you are already stable, you have the Six of Wands, so maganda yung, kumbaga, maybe currently, that time, ikaw ay magiging masaya with other relationship with the Two of Cups. This is you. You are in love. You are happy with other relationship. Ngayon, medyo na-stress, or hindi man na-stress, but there's this feeling na parang, oh, teka lang, babalik siya kung kailan okay na ako. Paano na? Ano na? What to do? Parang ganon. And you have spiritual connection with this person, with the High Priestess, and with the Lovers. I feel like itong person na to, gagawa siya ng paraan na yung connection ninyo hindi lang maging spiritual. And with the Death card, this is like renewal, death and rebirth. So, renewal ng connection na ito sa inyong dalawa. And the Page of Cups, ito na yung pag-offer ng taong ito ng maybe we can try it one more time, ganon. Kaya lang ikaw na ito na parang nag-iisip na should I do it or not, especially na with the Six of Wands nakakita tayo ng happiness sa'yo. Ayan, and pwedeng natutunan mo na rin naman maging masaya para sa kanya. So paano na, 'di ba? Also, you are trying to focus on yourself, working on yourself. So pagdating sa taong ito, maaaring pagbalik niya, hindi mo na alam kung anong mangyayari, anong gagawin mo, anong sasabihin mo. Dahil, pwedeng that time kasi nababalik siya, okay ka na, naka-move on ka na. So, thank you for watching guys. I love you all and bye-bye.